Hey guys, you might be wondering why my hair is a little wet and pulled back. That is because I am reviewing Tymo's hair dryer. This thing is a high-speed hair dryer, bad boy, that is going to change my life because I use one that has so much heat and it damages my hair, but this guy does not. I also received their nourishing oil, which I need to hydrate, but I'll show you more of this a little later. So let's get into the good stuff and show you this Air Hype hair dryer because it is so phenomenal, people. Okay, I'm so excited. Been waiting for this. By the way, such fast delivery on this. Okay, here we go. And the box is even pretty, look at that. Oh, it's like fancy, people. It's got a package and everything. Look how compact this is. It is so, it's like state of the art, people. This is gorgeous. Absolutely love it. Oh, look, I love, there's 3 different nozzles that are magnetic. They pop on so easily. This is if you have curly hair. My friend has this hair dryer as well, and she says this thing is literally the best because she has curly hair. Then, this is fantastic, the comb to help you style, which is fantastic. And then, there's this amazing little nozzle if you need it just to get, literally, it snaps on like that. And this just gives it a more precise blow if you need it to hit certain areas of your hair. So, I'm thinking I should show you my daily hairstyle that I do with this hair dryer so you can see how incredible it is. Don't you think? Okay, let's go to my bathroom and do it. So an easy day-to-day hairstyle for me, let me show you my texture. I have kind of naturally curly hair. So I love first to not have it so, look at this. So this smoothing and nourishing oil, I put this on first. This is just an easy day-to-day if you're about to run out for the day, but you want to look a little more pulled together. Look how cute this packaging is, by the way. So cute, right? Okay, it's like sturdy and high quality. I absolutely love it. So I put a couple little drops in my hand, right? Put it all over. This will protect your hair, but there's not much to protect from because the air from this dryer is not hot. And that's what damages my hair. So I was not doing this because my hair was so damaged, but this dryer I'm gonna be able to do every day again. So for an easy style for me, I pull my hair in a bun, like so, since I have somewhat of a curl. This is gonna give me this gorgeous natural curl like I've done nothing, right? So I just tie it in a knot, as so. Look how amazing this is. Like this is top of the line hair dryer. Look at this, people. So then you turn it on. I mean, look at this. Look at the air control. It is so fast. Absolutely love it. But if you can feel it, it's cold air. So it is so fast and cold. So let me just show you what I do. I basically go all over until it's dry. And this speeds up the process. now I'm gonna turn this off. I've gotten it pretty dry already, as you can see, and now I'm gonna tie it in a knot again. And keep it in a knot this time, now that it's pretty dry, so I could get those natural curls that this knot creates. So you just twist it, tie it, just like that. And then I'm gonna finish drying my hair so you get the natural curls. So I have it on the middle speed because it's so strong that if I have it on the strongest speed, my knot will completely fall apart. Okay, so are you ready for the reveal? This is what I do every day. Look how gorgeous and healthy even my fine hair looks, because it is not damaged by this Tymo Air Hype high-speed hair dryer. This thing is so good. It's like having a professional hair dryer at my house because the performance is immaculate. The speed is so crazy. It's so quiet, and it doesn't damage my hair. And here's a little experiment I did with the ping pong ball to show you how powerful this dryer is. I absolutely love it. Plus, it is like a blend. So you get your ion enriched air and your focused air velocity to rapidly dry your hair, which is why this is pure magic, people. Pure magic. So I just want to recap everything. This box is so cute, people. So if you have curly hair, literally, that's how easy it is to put on. How magical is that? Look, it's that easy. So you literally can use this to diffuse it. There is no frizzing going on with this little contraption. So another one, look how easy it is to put on and off. I love this one if you need to brush through your hair while you're drying it. This is magic right here. Plus, if you need to have a really focused air, there's this guy. Plus, there's this button, so you get 3 different speeds. There's, you know, the low, medium, high. Then this one controls the temperature. There's 4 different temperature controls. I like to keep it pretty cold since I have fine hair, but it goes all the way up to, I think, 210. I don't typically go that high since I have fine hair, but if your hair can handle it, it is so good. And the power of this, as I showed you, I've never had a hair dryer that has that much power. And I absolutely love it. Plus, I didn't even show you. I travel a lot, and it comes with its own gorgeous bag. So you can literally throw everything in here. This is so compact, so it barely takes up space in your suitcase. I also have a discount code below, which you can check out. I mean, this is a win-win, people. If you want to get a professional style hair dryer, this is it.